What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to share with you how I've managed to sell probably 50% of my listings off of my TikTok account, if you could believe that, not even using the MLS. I'm Connor Kelly, Vancouver Realtor. This channel is aimed at helping you improve your social media, your mindset, and your level of personal development, aimed specifically at realtors. So if you're into that, please do subscribe to the channel. I've built my entire business off of TikTok, if you could believe that. And I have many success stories of me literally getting a client off of TikTok, getting a listing from that client, and then selling it to another buyer off of my TikTok. So the entire transaction went through TikTok. Time of recording, I have 31,500 followers, an average about 1 million views every 28 days. And some of you may think that is impossible to strive for. However, when I first started this account, I was happy to get 500 views on a video. And in fact, that was my goal. I was like, I'll be happy if I can just get 500 views on every video and never be below 500. So it didn't happen overnight. This is me posting basically on average 3 videos a day over the last 14 months now. No, sorry, 26 months now. And there are agents who only do 1 video a day that get way more views and have way more followers than me. It's just they do things a little bit differently than I do things. And the beautiful thing about this platform is not only do I have a bunch of eyeballs for potential clients that I can sell real estate to or sell their properties, but within that platform, I also have a bunch of people who can buy my listings off of me from the clients that I'm getting off of social media, if that makes sense. And this is a massive perk for sellers when they choose to work with me as opposed to another agent, because there aren't many agents out there who have built up a massive platform of eyeballs basically to the same significance as a whole nother MLS separate from the MLS that they can market your listing to. And this is exactly why I think it's extremely important that real estate agents do build up their social media. And here's the thing, and this might come off offensive, right? But how can you confidently call yourself a marketing expert when you don't know how to properly utilize social media, you don't have a following, you haven't built a platform that you can market these sellers' listings to? In my opinion, it's very, contradictory, right? Like, I'm a marketing expert, but I don't know how to market on social media. Well, that doesn't really make sense considering social media, I think everyone knows and everyone can agree, is by far the best way to market anything in this day and age. And one of the most common objections that you'll get out there from sellers is, why am I gonna pay you a 3 to 5% commission to basically just put my house on the MLS and maybe open the door a couple times for a couple showings and maybe do an open house? I'm gonna pay you 30, 40 grand for that? Well, if you build up the social media platform, you got a perfect objection to that. Hey, do you have a platform with, X amount of followers that you're gonna market your property to? Okay, so what's your plan to get eyeballs on this place? And just to give you guys an example of how powerful this can be for you guys, and it's not gonna happen overnight. It's gonna take some time, right? But so I have right now a couple listings in a small town about 2 hours away from where I live. And my seller had this one property that he had tried listing a couple times with other realtors in the area, didn't sell. It got to the point where realtors in that area didn't even want to take his listing anymore. Felt like it was gonna be a waste of time, it wouldn't sell, whatever the case may be. Realtors didn't even want to touch it anymore. Well, I got that listing, went out there, shot a video with my iPhone, no microphone, no lighting, no expensive camera, nothing. Video blew up, got 30,000 views, and we sold that property the next day. We're at this 10-unit townhome site in unbelievable Merritt, British Columbia. We got a 1990s detached home on a half-acre lot here. Here's the thing, you don't even need to tear this home down as you're building out these townhomes, and it's rented for roughly $4,000 a month. So $4,000 a month as you're building out these townhomes, or tear it down and obviously get a couple extra townhomes on the lot. Whatever you want to do, either way, once in a lifetime opportunity here, right here in beautiful Merritt. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Reach out to me today, ring. And now that same seller is giving me a near $6 million listing in that same city because he was so stoked about how we were able to get that sale done and how fast we were able to get it done. And here's the thing with social media, right, that a lot of people are missing out on, is that it is bigger than real estate. I almost look at my social media like I'm building a business and real estate is my secondary business. So I'm like, if I just focus on building my social media, indirectly as a result of this business growing, I will sell more real estate. But the social media side of my business is what is essentially more scalable and has bigger profit margins down the road. And not only that, one day as realtors, we may be replaced by AI. So for me, I like to know that I have a backup plan that if that ever did happen, I would be able to pivot on an instant and move into another business model. So stop procrastinating. It's not going to happen overnight, but if you can just do this consistently, one video a day, whatever it may be, consistently build that platform slowly but surely over the course of time, you are building, a space where you will have more eyeballs to organically market to whenever you feel like you need to. And that has so much power. And maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 years down the road, you don't need to do outbound prospecting. You can only do the social media. And it's just an amazing thing to show your sellers in the listing appointment. Like, hey, I got this. I know for a fact there aren't many agents who are going to have this, right? That agent, maybe he's done it longer than me. Maybe he's done this. I know he can offer you that. It's not going to happen overnight, but the sooner you start, the sooner it happens. So if you're still here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, you're definitely going to like this video talking about the 5 best videos that realtors should be shooting to grow their social media. So make sure you watch that one. I'm Connor Kelly. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.